Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a few days back, OnePlus flew me to Bangalore and I took the first flight of my life. We were there for around 1.5 days and I had so much fun there, and I'm so glad that I vlogged the entire thing. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So it's 12 a.m. right now. I have spent the entire day editing and posting, so I have to pack everything right now. This is the mess I've created at 1 a.m. I had to reach the airport by 5:40, इसलिए मैं 4 बजे घर से निकली. मैंने कैब ली and finally we were on the airport on time. हमारा OnePlus का अलग से भी लगा हुआ था, which was so cute. And then we met the gang. Finally we boarded the flight and we got our passes. Short, but पता नहीं हम प्लेन में घुस गए. अभी तक तो कुछ खास फील नहीं हुआ. I will let you know. There are nice air hostesses, but maid host नहीं है उतने अच्छे. Who's here? And there was a hot guy beside me, but fate chose something else.
उस बंदे की सीट 2 बार बदलवाई.
Just getting off the plane. पीक पे कैमरा लगा के शूट कर रहा है भाई वो. Guys, Bangalore airport was such a beauty and I loved the aesthetics of the airport. It was just so nice. Behind my vlog, priorities. Then we took the cab from the airport to the hotel, and on the way I really enjoyed the weather and the Chitta original version. तो दिल्ली में 1 साल में नहीं खाई होगी मैंने. We have reached. ओ भाई कितनी बेइज्जती. Hi guys, we're all ready. Please जब तक मेरा outfit और makeup अच्छा है मैं पहुंच जाऊं. I hope we reach today on time, but I think we won't. Guys, हमने 2 कैब बुक करी है तो उनमें रेस चल रही है.
मासूम से होता तुम लड़की यही करती हो हर बार. Ghost them. सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था.
वो ऐसी बड़ी गाड़ी आ रही है मेरे लिए. Finally कैब आ गई guys. Finally made it guys. I hope we reach on time.
Yeah. On time. We're already चार में से एक Uber driver ने तो accept कर लिया.
Guys, I just learned this. She's from
IIT BHU. What's so surprising in it? I don't understand. I'll tell you. मैं advance देने के लिए भी qualified नहीं थी.
I got qualified today, but I didn't give.
But it's fine. We're just humans, guys. We're just humans who are having the same problems as everyone.
True. Yeah. But they are smarter at solving them.
We'll go to the amphitheater and the only activity we have over there is...
We are waiting for food. I'll eat anything that I get. We might just
still don't have any. Vidishu's really nice. Vidishu's shoes.
She's wearing Vidishu's shoes.
And he's walking barefoot.
Yeah. He's walking
So cute. When will I?
कौन सा phone use कर रही हो ये?
Hi, Shantanu got me this. काश मैं इतना कमाऊं, मैं भी लोगों में बांटूं. क्या उधर भी भाई ऐसे लोग तो लूट जाए बिल्कुल. देखा मैं कितनी काइंड अच्छी लड़की हूँ
कि दूसरों को बेच दिया खुद देने की जरूरत.
There's just so much food from here to there. The non-veg people are sitting there, veg people are here. We are at Truffles and we are finally done. I look like a waitress, but trust me, if I had served, it wouldn't have been that bad. Inside the OnePlus store, and I will show you something really crazy stuff here. Guys, this is the OnePlus store. Look at the ambience lights. Look at the lights. Please say hello in
Hi. In what?
my vlog.
Hi, vlog and vlog viewers. Hello. Hello. Guys, what do you want to say?
Nothing. And I have also broken a lot of friendships because I had to always, ask my friend to just, shoot my content from that good quality phone of theirs. But I think कहते हैं ना शायद शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग सच है। तो ये डायलॉग भूल गई। पूरी डायलॉग हाँ सेम टू सेम। तो ऐसा हुआ कि this is a hot girl and this is the reason for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wow! Okay guys, we are on our way back to the
Photo right now in my laptop.
guys, we are back in the hotel and थोड़ा अब हम थक गए हैं. I've just removed a little bit of makeup from my face and अब मैं थोड़ा सा coffee पी रही हूँ, relax a little bit and I think we're going to clubbing. I've never been to a club. I'm having every first on this trip ever in just a span of like 1.5 days. So I'm really excited to go. फिर से अच्छा सा makeup करना है. I love to just get ready and everything. सारी हम लड़कियाँ जाएंगी. तो अब ये करते हैं, पहले उससे पहले थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करते हैं बिकॉज आई एम टू टायर्ड. Guys, she brought the safety pin for me from that far. I love you. In the cab and I'm going to do my makeup here. Okay, so this is Plum का Body Loving Your Day perfume. तो मेरे पास 5 का kit है. It's very cheap and this one was the best one. And these girls are liking it too because I've made the car smell so good now. We're finally at the location and I've done decent makeup. I'll show you better. We are back from the club.
Good morning. What she's making me watch. Is this happy feet or something? Because my feet aren't happy after yesterday at all. Guys, my favorite couple. हम लोग बाथटब में तो आ गए लेकिन हमें चलाना ही नहीं आ रहा. Guys, we are too hungry. ओ वाओ, यहाँ कितनी अच्छी लाइट आ रही है गाइस.
यहाँ पे फिट चेक बहुत अच्छा आ रहा था. यहाँ पे अगर हम कैमरा
We'll do it ना. We'll come back and we'll have a shower and we'll do everything.
transition.
We hope so. Maybe we can make her get ready with me. But now we are going to have breakfast. We are super hungry. OOTD. My dosa has come. We've had good breakfast. There are so many foreigner people here. Now we're going to our room. The pretty face. She's all ready. Okay, bye. Hi guys. We're finally doing the room tour. Come inside. Come inside. This is from where you enter, and I wanted to film it yesterday but I didn't have any time. So as you enter we see this huge mirror. Can you show them my outfit also? This was my breakfast outfit, and here we have the coffee counter which I've already made a mess of. because it was difficult for me to figure out. And as we enter, there's a washroom on the left. So come inside. I love the space here, and there's also a compartment to keep your clothes at, which I think I should have utilized by now. And यहाँ पे क्या है? This is the ironing thing, and you can also hang your clothes there. There's a bathrobe which I'm gonna use right now. Also, guys, we have the bathtub, which I got really scared of because I've heard stories, Sridevi and all. So I'm not gonna use it because I'm too scared to use it. And then there's a shower. This is the commode, which is pretty clean and nice. And then this is the shower area, which I'm gonna use now. And the best thing about this bathroom, I think the mirror and this mirror app, I'm gonna show you this revolutionary thing because this magnifies your face. Don't zoom on my face, it looks really, you can really see the pores and all your marks. But it is not to make you insecure, it is for you to do your makeup here so that you can see everything very nicely. And there is the kits here in the drawers. Their hair dryer is kept, and here we also have the dental kit, and there's a rubber band that is so thoughtful of them. And it's nice for me because I forgot my brush at home. My mother was reminding me every time, but I still forgot. And we have mirrors all over so that the space appears big. So there are these paintings as we enter. And now, what's this? This is also the door for the washroom only. This is a sliding door. So I really like this thing here that you can enter from wherever. Also, there are drawers in this, but there's nothing kept. This is my favorite part of the room, and the best thing ever is this. I just love the bed sheets of hotels because it's so comfy, and the pillows. And I think there's something about these pillows. And I'm already in the slippers that the hotel gave me, so they're super comfortable. We have this TV, just Tata Sky hai. We've already used it, and we were just listening to MTV Beats and all. There are drawers, there are coffee mugs where we actually tried making coffee. This was the work table, although I did not do anything productive here. I'm just roaming and having food. There's another painting, and the ambience is pretty nice. Can we zoom on the chandelier? Because it feels so nice. Although I'm really scared that it might fall on me. I'm very scared of everything. I'm not made for this luxury stuff or something. Then we have this very super comfortable couch, and I think this is the first time I'm sitting on it, but it's very comfortable. I love that there are a set of pillows as well. And now I'm going to show you the view because I think I got the best room in terms of the view. And this is the view, guys. Very beautiful light comes from here as well, so I'm gonna make some content out of it after I get ready. And this is such a nice space. I mean, you can just sit here and hang out. So I love this so much. We are at a height, and I'm scared of height, but somehow I don't feel scared right now. And I really love this vibe, and the carpet is also nice. I love the ambience of this room. I know. I like how it's minimal, aesthetic, and I think we're done with the room tour. अभी हम थोड़ा सा कंटेंट फिल्म कर रहे हैं. मैंने ये बाथरोब पहन लिया है, इसने भी पहन लिया, to make that transition थोड़ा fancy and bougie बनाने के लिए. Let's do it. I'm so excited for it. This is gonna be a core memory if this happens nicely. We're done with the lunch. We're going to explore the streets now. Mumbai and Delhi people know the right
मुंबई में
prices.
सस्ता मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे डबल
दिल्ली में और भी सस्ता. Guys, there is no cab availability. Finally, we got our auto. Finally, we're moving. vlog has become so chaotic right now. We're not able to reach to our hotel. We're not able to get the cabs. I don't know what is happening. I feel sad for you and myself as well. But we'll get through this, don't worry. Finally, the trauma is coming to end of the cabs.
कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइप करो कौन सी गाड़ी है.
I don't have many followers. I finally made it on time, even though my makeup and my outfit is ruined. No, my outfit isn't ruined. The makeup is ruined. Finally, we're landing in Delhi now. Notes for people that are in the plane again.
Bengali or Marathi board. 09 is from Bangalore to properly.
Our meals, guys, and I'm very disappointed because look at this. How does it taste?
रेडी है पे काम चलाओ यार भूख लग रही है इसलिए हो जाएगा
I think it was better when we went to the from Delhi to Bangalore,
एनी डे लाइक वी गॉट साउथ इंडियन
and it was actually the a breakfast thing. Breakfast में better or no?
आई वुड हैव थॉट कुछ तो थोड़ा और ज्यादा देते
Quantity is always less.
या
Anyways,
वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड
yeah. Air India, bad. Food. He loves it so much. Green flag. He carries Meftol. Shout out. Oh my god, people are multi-talented here.
This is better. This is the
This is so cute.
Delhi to Bangalore flight. This is the Bangalore flight.
Oh my god. All I did was sleep on both the flights. So we have landed
फाइनली वी हैव लैंडेड आई एम वेरी टायर्ड एंड टाइम टू स्लीप
and you're safe. It's time to sleep.
हो गया भाई मेरा अब